video right now. Here I go.
So what do you think of frozen Texas?
I think this is bullshit.
Oh!
That's what I think. Look at this, guys. This is ice and not snow.
Yeah.
It's horrible. We are not going to work today.
I have to agree. It is bullshit. I moved here to get away from this.
I know. And what temperature was it the other day?
On Wednesday, it was 81.
And now look at it. It is now.
It is
okay,
now
here, hold on.
Bullshit.
24 degrees. And
Yeah.
it says ice. That's fun.
Of course, we are not prepared, so we're going to the store because we forgot to buy
Luckily,
food.
luckily Kroger's like right up the street. Probably not even a mile. We need a theme song. Come along with us in the snow. Okay, so it's really slippery here.
Are you videoing?
I'm videoing in case something cool happens.
I can't believe we missed that guy.
I know. I wasn't videoing because somebody told me not to video anymore.
We should catch up with him and be like, can you do that again?
Do it again.
We don't have the video.
He slid right into the intersection on purpose.
That was Dukes of Hazzard style.
I know,
that
right?
Was awesome. Yeah, I'm a fan of the 80-degree weather.
Me too. I can't believe that it went from 80 degrees to 24 degrees in like one day. That's ridiculous. I don't understand.
It is. That's Texas.
You're driving really slow.
Driving 20. That's.
Dude, Lexi's a pro at this.
Don't say that. Jinx me.
No.
Remember that we moved in this before?
Yeah, I remember that. I was
You
sliding
moved
around
in
in the Jeep. Yeah. When we moved in where we are now.
Oh.
We're out of time to get it done.
Yeah. This
Got the
nasty
other
storm hit.
apartment.
It froze the pipes at
Yeah.
our old apartment. So that flooded, so we had to deal with that while we were moving. And then, yeah, it was like this when we were moving across town. I was sliding around the Jeep.
Alright, this is gonna be the fun part.
Look at this guy. He must live close because he had to get that French bread. You know what I'm saying?
He's like, it's good French bread weather. Those are his kids. They're carrying the other packages. They're like, we want spaghetti. He's like, I got the French bread.
Those are the advantages of having kids. Someone to carry your crap.
He's like, don't worry about the bread. I got it.
You carry the rest.
you guys, you get the heavy stuff.
Why do you think I had you?
I got the bread.
Look at that ice. Get the ice in the parking spaces.
Look at that, guys.
It looks like snow, but it's ice. Just
Look at the
solid
pigeons.
ice.
They're out there. Hi, pigeons. Oh, there's a lot of pigeons.
Let's see if I can make it into that spot right there without spinning out. We're killing a pigeon.
Don't kill a pigeon.
That's right.
There's plenty.
No.
No, that's not nice.
There you go. Cool. You parked there, so now we don't have to worry about people hitting us.
Look at that.
Pro. Okay, bye guys.
Potatoes.
We're getting the French bread. Gluten free.